Hello viewers! Ay, naku. Good afternoon! Hi guys! Welcome! Please like and share! What time now? 1:02. Gerson Galvez. Hello, hello! Bakit walang someone comment here? Ask a question. 6 million viewers. Shout out. Thank you sa pag-thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hi guys, good afternoon. Ayan, naka-live tayo ngayon. Walang makakwentuhan. Ayan, comment lang kayo guys. Ayan, na maya-maya, nagtatrabaho na naman tayo. Guys, paki-like and share yung ating live. Ayan. Pa-like lang guys, pa-like. Para nakuan kasi ang ating channel guys na ano tawag dito. Nagkaroon ng problema. So, kailangan ko siyang i-appeal. So, kailangan ko ng guys, tulong nyo. Ayan. Para bumalik yung earnings ko sa YT ko sa YouTube. Ayan. So, who are you? Who are you? My name is J. Rodix. Shout out to Spidexam. Spidexam. Ayan. Thank you. Please like my live video. Ayan. Guys, thank you sa mga nandyan. 6 million viewers. Shout out. Ayan, magla-live lang tayo kahit mga 30 minutes or 15 minutes, guys. Ayan, dumadami na tayo. 8 million viewers. Shout out. Ba't hindi ako makapag-comment? Sticker. Wala, may sticker dito. Effects. Makeup. Lens. Ayan, 9 minutes, 10 minutes na tayo, 5 minutes na lang. Balik tayo mamaya, mag-live tayo mamayang gabi. Ulit, usap-usap. Yan, 4 million viewers, thank you. Palike naman ng ating guys, ating live. Yan, mga dumadaan dyan guys, palike naman, kahit isang like lang. Hello guys, palike ating live. And 12 minutes, 3 minutes na lang guys. Pa-like naman, pa-like. Dala-dalawa pa lang yung ating like, guys. Pa-like lang, guys. Yung mga dumadaan. Top pants. Ano itong top pants? Yan pala yun. Guys, pa-thumbs up. Ito pala yung top fans ko. Dalawa, oh. David Duarte and Spidex Sam. Ayan, shout out. La Chemba, shout out. Ayan. Are you from India? Ayan, give me thumbs up, bro. Or, yeah, bro. I'm okay, you know, how are you? I'm okay, ayan. Where are you from? Lachenba, where are you from? I'm from Manipur. Oh, how are you, bro? How's Manipur today? Before, I'm doing a lot of video from Manipur, especially different song from Manipur. Not only in Manipur, in was this in seven state like Meghalaya, Tripoli. I don't know the other state. I forgot, but especially the Manipur song is my special, special reaction video. Yeah. What what are you from? What are you from? Oh, where are you? Me? I'm from the Philippines. Yeah. You can check my reaction video in my channel. Yeah. So, the problem now is I cannot do any video because there's some problem in my channel. My favorite artist from Manipur, singer, I don't know if she is a singer, La Istram, the lady, the beautiful lady. Her last name is La Istram. So, you know her? Our Manipur is beautiful place in the world. Wow. I'm so proud of you, brother. Yes, you will. Your place is a beautiful place, especially Manipur. There's a lot of people there, very friendly. Best, best, yes, best. Best in the world. You don't have word today? What is your word, brother? Hello, Tadariatu. Shout out to you, my brother Tadariatu. Hello. Welcome to my live, Tadariatu. Hello. How are you? Where are you from, brother Tadariatu? Are you from Manipur? Please give me thumbs up. Only thumbs up if you are there watching my live. Please don't forget to like my live, brother or sister. Oh, 18 minutes. 18 minutes. Naka 18, 19 minutes na ako. Ah, hello. Shout out to our new viewers. Amsrang Parak. Amsrang P. Marak. That's the way to pronounce your name. Amsrang Parak. P. Marak. Hello, my friend. How are you? You old friend. I'm not old. I'm always new friend. Hello to you. I'm Srang P. Marak. I'm not your old friend. You forgot me. Oh, yeah, I know you. Armstrong Marak. I remember you. You're one of my, viewers, especially my friend from Meghalaya. Are you from Meghalaya? Or Manipur? I really don't remember. But I know you, Armstrong Marak. Hello. Please give me thumbs up. One. Yes, I remember you, my friend. I used to keep my name, Armstrong. Yeah, I'm from Meghalaya. Yeah, see? I remember you. How are you? How are you, Armstrong? What do you want me to call you? Brother? Or just brother? Brother Marak. I'm pretty good. What about you? Yeah, I'm pretty good also. But my channel is not good now. I have a problem to my channel. In this channel, this Gerodix TV. But don't Don't think about it. I can manage. Please like my live, brother. By the way, do you know Manipur has been burning since 2023? Huh? What happened to Manipur? That's why I what I mentioned before. I don't have any uh, information about Manipur because of my channel. There's some problem on my channel. I cannot do any video. My channel now is restricted. Excuse me. Very. I don't know if this one can fix immediately or not, but I can manage this one, brother. The conflict is going on. Oh, so later uh, I will watch. So I have an idea what's going on now in the Manipur. So sorry if that one is happen now, that conflict, and I pray that this conflict will be what's this? Thousands of people died. Really? In Manipur area only. What happened? Why is it burning? What kind of burning? What do you mean this one burning? Wow, thousands of people. Ah, war. Oh my God. So after this live, I'm going to uh, what's this? I'm going to watch what happened there in the Manipur. So I have an idea what happening now. And now we foresight. And now with foresight Nagas, Kuki, Manipur, and government. So before, how many sides? Why? What's the reason? What's the reason why this war begin? It's either uh, as this they didn't understand, or there's some conflict between the people, land by land. The main reason, guys, brother, what's the main reason where this war begin? The reason is the caste system. Oh, I don't have any idea what's that caste system. But I pray no this war will be end soon. I uh, I have my own, information. This is not good for the community. No? War, war is not good, especially now. Iran, US, Israel having war now, and then in your state also have war. Why like this? So 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will end my live, bro, and I will watch what's happening in Manipur. So maybe or tonight, I will going to live again. So see you later, brother. I will watch now. I'm going to watch what's happening in the Manipur. I don't have any idea what's happening now. So, but I pray no, this one will be end soon. Okay, will be okay later. Wow, Manipur, what happening in your country? In your state, I mean. Thank you, bro. Thank you. In my own state, Meghalaya, last time Muslim versus Garo conflict occurred. Why? Why is this happening? What's the reason why you're very, creating, fighting each other, fighting with your state? Wow. But thank you, bro, for having me here in my live. So later I will going to live again. But after this, I will going to watch any information in the um, what's this Manipur area, and I will inform you later. Okay, bye, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.